so happy! Yay! Ito yung tsura niya. See? Wow! Yeah! Hey, what's up you guys? It's another day, it's another vlog. Welcome back again to my channel. So for today's video, I'm so happy! Yay! Because meron na tayong ring light! Yay! Sobrang saya ko talaga guys kasi meron ako nito at may nag-sponsor lang sa akin nito. So shout out to you. Ayaw niya kasing magpakilala. So thank you very much po. Sobrang saya ko, sobrang aga ng Pasko. So thank you so much for the early Christmas gift. So I'm just so happy guys kasi gusto ko talaga bumili nito. And maybe blessings in disguise kasi nung 11/11 sa Shoppee, supposedly bibili ako ng ring light. Kaya lang, na-cancel ni Shoppee yung order ko. Yung first try ko is, sabi kasi ni Shoppee, hindi na-ship nung seller yung ring light. So, kaya kinancel ni Shoppee. The second time is, I don't know kung bakit hindi na-deliver guys. So, today, we finally have it. Thank you very much. So, this is a ring fill light. And it is 26 centimeter. So, okay din sa akin to guys. I'm so happy. So, without further ado, let's go! Ito guys, i-unbox na natin. So, ito lang yung laman guys. Yung box. We have the main device, yung ring light, and yung controller. So, maganda to na klase na ring light guys kasi may controller ito. So, you can control the amount of light that you like. So, meron din siyang tatlong shades ata guys. The white, the I think yellow, and the warm white. Next is yung accessories niya guys. So, this is the phone holder. So, ito. Yay! I'm so happy guys. Kasi merong ibang mga ring light na walang phone holder. So, ito, it comes with a phone holder. Next is, I guess ito yung pang-adjust guys na stand para dito sa phone holder. And then, wala na guys. So, ito yung mga screw. Ito yung tsura niya. And this one, I think ito yung disc para dito. And then, the tripod. So, it comes also with tripod guys. So, let's open it. I have here my scissors. Si Baby Rich Mona yan guys. Jewel Rich. Yung anak ng kasama ko. Katrabaho ko pala. So, ito yung naman niya guys. Wow! Sobrang haba niya guys. Ito. Wow! Metal yung tripod guys. Here. So, first impression, I think matibay naman siya, guys. So, depende lang talaga yan if paano mo i-handle yung mga gamit mo. So, yung i-assemble natin, guys, is yung ring light. So, it does not come with instruction. But tingnan na lang natin, guys, if sakto ba yung gagawin natin. Malalaman naman natin mamaya kung meron tayong hindi ginawang tama. So, ito, guys, meron siyang lalagyan ng screw. So, ito, since ito yung holder nung phone holder, so, dito natin ilalagay. Kasi sometimes parang common sense na ata yung mga assemble niya, guys. Next is yung holder niya sa tripod, guys. So, ito yung connector. So, ito. So, before natin to ilagay dito, guys, lagyan muna natin nito. Kasi, I think, ito yung disc o yung lalagyan para dito. Para hindi siya madaling nag-shake or hindi siya shaky. So, I hope tama tong ginagawa natin, guys. Twist mo lang hanggang dulo. So, since hindi naman natin masikupan dito, guys. So, ito, guys. Okay. Wait. So, straight. And then, tighten. See? And then, pwede na nating, okay. So, tight na din ito, guys. Make sure naka-tight talaga lahat, guys, para hindi masira or mahulog yung phone natin later on. So, ito, may screw din sa baba. So, I think ito is para to dito. Sorry again, guys. Dami talagang aso dito. Dog lover kasi yung mga neighborhood ko. Ito, tada! Look at it. So beautiful. And then, ito, guys. Sa makikita nyo, meron itong hole. So, yun yung lalagyan natin dito. Ito kasi yung nagpapa 360 niya, guys. So, if nakikita nyo sa ibang mga tripod, merong mga ganito. Kasi, ito yung nagpapagalaw sa holder natin. So, all you have to do, guys, is luwagan nyo lang to. Tingnan nyo. So, ganito dapat itsura niya. And then, ipapasok natin to. So, guys, pwede nyo rin gawin to una. Kasi nalimutan ko kanina. So, dapat ginawa ko pala to before ko siya in-attach dito sa ring light mismo. So, either way, pwede naman natin tong gawin. So, ito, dito. So, be gentle, guys. And be careful. See? If marinig nyo na yung click sound, it means napasok nyo yung parang bola niya. And then, tighten it. Para hindi malaglag yung phone natin. So, if na-tighten nyo na, guys, is it? Pwede. 'Pwede nyo na igalaw-galaw. See? Pwede nyo itong i-adjust guys, or ito. So, ito lang yung mga i-adjust nyo para sa phone. And then, ito na yung i-connect natin sa tripod. So, ito na guys. Yes! So, sobrang haba niya guys. Halos kasing tangkad ko na to. Ang height ko pala guys is 5'5". So, para more or less kasing haba or mas mahaba ko konti. So, basta more than 5 inches to guys. 5 inches to guys.
Oh God, please no!
Oh, so, i-try natin guys. Ito pala, you can turn it on by simply plugging it sa power bank guys. Kasi ito USB type siya. So, pwede nyo to isaksak sa mga power bank or di naman kaya use your adapter and then plug nyo lang sa outlet. So, let's try it guys. I hope this will work. So, ito. Mahaba naman yung cord niya guys. So, nothing to worry about. So, saksak ko muna guys. Ito. Ang unang mapapansin natin is may blue light siya guys. It means yung sinaksakan nyo is meron siyang kuryente. So, may 4 na button siya guys. Hindi ko alam if makikita natin. Teka muna guys. Adjust ko muna. So, ito guys. See? Nag-blue light siya. Yung blue indicator, it means merong kuryente yung sinaksakan natin. So, ito, meron siyang 4 button. Yung huli, sa baba is yung power button, yung on and off button. Next one is your negative or yung decrease. So, kasi mamaya, papakita ko sa inyo, magdi-decrease yung light. Gaya nung sabi ko kanina. Yung sa gitna, ito, is for changing of the color. Warm, white, or yellow. And then, so itong nasa top, guys, is for increase na button. So, if ever na gusto nyo pang i-increase yung light, so, ito yung plus button. So, try natin guys, para makita nyo. Sana mag-work to. So, let's press the power button. Wow! Yeah! So happy guys! Ang ganda! Ang ganda niya sa personal guys. I'll try to turn off my... Ipakita ko sa inyo mamaya guys kung ano yung gamit ko. Next is, try natin yung ibang light niya guys. So, ito. Wow! Ganda! Ganda guys. Next. Oh! This is yung warm white guys. Sobrang ganda. And, let's try, balik natin dun sa white guys, para mas makita nyo. So, ito, white ito guys. So, try natin i-decrease yung amount of light. So, ito na ata yung pinaka decrease niya guys. So, let's try to increase it again. Unti-unti siyang nagla-light guys. So, try natin yung warm white. Wala ka masyadong pagkakaiba. Okay, so ito yung pinaka-brightest niya, guys. Tingnan nyo. See? Tsaka dito ilalagay yung phone. So, hindi ko siya mailalagay ngayon, guys. Kasi, isa na yung phone ko. So, yun yung ginagamit ko ngayon sa pag-film. Pero sobrang ganda niya, guys. Sobrang thank you talaga sa nagbigay. Thank you so much. Yay! Finally, may upgrade na tayo. Ito yung ginagamit ko, guys. In 3, 2, 1. Emergency light, guys. So, meron kami dito sa staff house. Ito yung hinihinraman ko pag may vlog ako. So, that's it. Tingnan nyo, guys. See? Alright. Thank you very much, Firefly. Kahit hindi sponsored. Yay! May ring light na tayo. I hope you learned something from setting up and the review of our ring light. So that's it, you guys. That's the end of our video. I hope you like this video, and please hit the like button if you do, and subscribe to my channel if you want to see more videos. So thank you very much again for this early gift. Until next time, stay safe always, guys. Goodbye. Bye.